So welcome back, guys. In this video I'll be icing these two dummies. So I'll be teaching you basically the two ways to cover your fondant easily to get sharp edges. So firstly, I will do this one, small one, and just starting off, I'll just be covering it with a bit of buttercream. I'll do it as neat as possible so that it will not I'm just roughly covering it with black buttercream. I don't really have to like go in depth. But what you have to consider in covering your dummy is that you have to like touch all the edges. You have to like touch all the edges. You have to like touch all the edges. You get, and touch all these edges. I need a rag. So here you have it. It covered. For me, putting this aside. Let me get the rag to clean my hand. 1 minute, guys. I'm back. I clean my hand, wipe the table. So you get your tip before you spray your alcohol. You take your diameter like this. This is 18. So you want your fondant to be like 20 inches wide. You're looking to aim a 20 inches diameter. Just add 2 inches or 3 inches to be on the safer side. So before that, I would be just spraying this just so it will get nice and wet so that my fondant can stick evenly. Then I will go on to kneading my fondant. I think this is the fondant I needed from this cake. By the way, guys, if you've not watched the video of how I made this cake with fire, I will advise you to do it to go and watch it. Yes. So using my corn flour, putting this aside, putting this in a ziploc so it's not get dry. Putting this aside, I will just put some corn flour at the table, leaving some there as residue. And I'm kneading my fondant. I think I need more fondant of this. It is rich. Let's see. Okay, into my fondant. I need a nice round bowl. So I'm going to stain. Put them away. Any more fondant and put it on the table. Carry fondant and tapping it. Carry fondant and rub my off. So you just need a nice round cake. So as you're kneading, you're rolling it around. I don't think this one will be enough. I don't think this one will be enough. Adding more corn flour. We need 20 inches, remember. 20 inches round. But just spreading it evenly. I need the roller to check. It's 15. We should need it here. I'm not sure this one has to be enough. I think I'll have to do this again. Add more fondant. It's getting too thin. You see? Now that's the problem. So I'll put this aside. Okay. And I'll add more white fondant. I have a bit of the fondant. I have a bit of fondant here. So I'll just be cutting from these. That is so hard. Okay. Hopefully this will not match this. So I'll be needing this. Needing this. Oh, I've not started my timer. I've not started my timer. Damn. Not start my timer. Because my camera records for just 30 minutes and stop. So I'm gonna be checking. So fun fact, you should make sure you have enough fondant so that to go round. And you need a kind of a thick layer, not up to an inch thickness, but at least a quarter of an inch should do fine. Because you need to give the fondant room to stretch, and basically you need to give the fondant room for a sharp edge. That's just basically room to stretch you get, so that you don't get to suffer like me. I'm doing this video so that you all will not suffer, you get. So you all will not suffer. You know, as much as I would like you guys to like and subscribe if you're new to the channel, but then I'm doing this video so that you all will not suffer. So yes. I think this is nice and combined. Looks like cocaine. So we need 20 inches. You do your flip. Oh. I think this is the most stressful method, because I'm damn stressed. But the world think I have to cover a 20 inches cake. I have to roll out 20 inches round. Ow! This is difficult. You always check to see if your fondant is not sticking to the your surface. Add a little bit of corn flour there, and you just keep on rolling. This is an easier way to do it. I think it's a bit long. we need to stretch it this way. Yes. You check how far we've gone. This is 16. This is 17. So we need more stretching. You can use this with a bit of corn flour at the base. Make sure it's not sticking to the table. Adding a bit of corn flour there. And you just smoothing and make sure it's kind of even. After doing that, you come with your kneading. Okay, you flip. You think this will go over? I don't think this will go over. I like being on the safer side. Ooh. 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 Let's see. Aha. This is 20. Yes. This is 20. I think we're ready. So the first step is just going to, you're going to be smoothing the surface. I may probably picking a better side. I think this method is more stressful. I think it's a better side. So we will be rolling this here. Yes. Putting this aside. Bringing. Now to give this a quick clean. Bringing our gummy here. So we'll just be covering it like this. Okay, all the success. Oh, so we'll bring your smooth now. You're smoothing it up, then you start. Okay, something like this. You just, you see, this what's happening. It's covering, guys. It's covering, guys. Yes, I got smooth now. You actively have to be cutting out pieces from. You actually have to be cutting out pieces from the cake so that it's cutting already. This isn't fair. This isn't fair. Whew. This is a fail. I can't do this. Whenever you try this blanket method, um, I think I'm just gonna have to um, improvise here. I'm just gonna have to improvise. Sorry guys, this is a fail, but I'm still gonna upload this video as I think this. I tried the blanket method, that did not work. Basically, I tried the blanket method, that did not work. I tried guys. I tried to teach you guys this, but it did not work, man. It did not work. So I'm just gonna scrap out the buttercream I can from this and use it to cover this big cake. I'll still be covering this though, but with paneling method. This paneling method, basically. This guys. So basically, this is just a video showing that I cannot do a cup blanket method in fondant. I tried and I failed. See, I'm sweating already. I've wasted resources. I'll try to clear up this fondant, but then the latest extra in the video, so I'll show you what happened and what I did wrong. I'll try this in later parts of the channel, but that's when I really know how to do it. But for now, I can't do it. I'm sorry.